Bitcoin is having a hard time this morning. I shorted Bitcoin right at 30,000 because we can see that this guy was declining. It was not being able to make up. If I could draw here, we just have a like descending triangle going on here. So as soon as we broke that, boom, I was all in. Right, actually, I front run it a little bit because I shorted above 30,000, and really my price target is right around 29,000. If we look at my line here at 29,200, you can see that the volume profile has a little bit of resistance at the moment. And why is that? Well, if I look over here, you can tell that there is support. And did I say resistance? I meant support. There is support right around the level that we are currently bouncing off of. Boom, there you go. You can see that is right where it's bouncing off of. And really, the area that I'm into potentially taking profit is right at the bottom of this support level right here, which is right at 29,000. But truthfully, I would take profits on this guy, but I'm not going to completely close it out because I see a level of 28,500 real being that bottom. So what do I see this happening? So we broke down, boom, we're here. We might bounce just a little bit, maybe even to the halfway mark of 29,000. And then we might bounce off here just a couple times briefly here. This is on the hourly, okay? And then I really see us bouncing down here before we could potentially have a much bigger bounce back up, right? This is, again, semantics. I'm looking at this arbitrarily. So this is my goal as of right now, but I am in decent amount of profits. I do have a trailing stop taking place, so I can't lose any money on the deal, but I'm expecting to be a little bit greedy here and make a little bit more because 30,000 was just that number, man, that we weren't ready to break above. But truthfully, you can see that my actual target is right around the 37,000. But again, that's by the end of the year. So I'm okay with having this go fluctuate, boom, 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 boom. If I zoom out, let's zoom out to the daily, right? And let's look at the daily here. What does the daily look like? Okay, the daily is looking like we are bouncing off of that right number. You know, the hourly is a little bit more specific, but then we have that next line of the 28,500 that I made. And so the daily looks like it's following the same scenario, but it's already doing a little bit of a better job than what I just said. Could we bounce from here? Yeah, we could bounce from here. And if we do bounce from here, well, that would be a higher low. And what do I mean by higher low? Well, here's a low. This would be a higher low, which would be a signal that we're still going up. But truthfully, even the level of the 28,500, that would still be a higher low, right? Because you'd have the lows here, another low, boom, 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 boom. That is showing you that we're potentially going up. That's still an uptrend, you know? So I'm just taking some profits here on a downside of shorting the market. This is Johnny Crypto. Follow for more.